With Store Commander, you're going to be able to manage product images very easily. We have a dedicated grid called Images here in the right-hand side column, where you will see all the images of each selected product. The display is dynamic, so whenever I select another product, the corresponding images will be displayed in the panel. In this panel, you can do various actions. The first one is to add images to your products by clicking on the plus icon here. So either drag and drop your files or browse your computer to go and fetch your files. The similar option is at the bottom of the window here, when you can drag and drop as well or fetch your files. And you can also use this QR code to upload photos on your product of your PrestaShop store using your smartphone. In this panel, multiple actions as well, such as the default image. So you can define the default image for your product. If you want to change it, simply change the radio button here. You also have a POS column, which is the position of each of the images. Okay. And if you want to modify the order, you can simply drag and drop the lines of the image. For the time being, the position hasn't changed yet. If you're okay with that new order, you can validate with the 1, 2, 3 icon on the toolbar here. And then my position are saved. Another thing you can do is set your image legend, which is important for the SEO. So you can double click if you wanted to modify manually the text of your legend. If, for example, you have an image with no legend, you can double click again, edit, and enter the legend for this image. Or you can use the little key here on the toolbar to let Store Commander use the product name and assign it to the legend of that image for the current language or all languages, because I've got multiple language on my shop. So I can use for all languages, I validate, and now my product name is now set into my legend. I can do it on one image or two image. I simply select the image I want to use the option onto, or I can select also multiple products that will display all images of all the selected product, and then either select single images or select all images, and then apply this option to use the product name to all image legends in all languages in just a couple of clicks. We also have a tool to cut out images, and we also have in the e-service in your project a compression service to compress all the images on your shop. Both the image compression and the image cutout are explained in a couple of webinars on our website.